What's going on, guys? I am back with another video today, and you may have, over the last few weeks, you may have seen videos about the LaterCase and Pataka and blah 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 blah. I didn't really say a whole bunch about it because honestly I really don't care. But I did kind of keep up with it a little bit as best I really cared to anyways. And after watching the UnboxTherapy video about the explanation, how he made his case, what he did, and all that stuff, I kind of decided that I wanted one just because I like thin cases. I don't really like thick cases, so I figured I may as well give it a shot. It was on the expensive side for me. I don't really care for paying a whole lot for my cases. Generally, I'm a Spigen type of guy, and anything over 15 bucks is probably too much. I just picked up a different case for my wife's iPhone, and she seems to like it, so that's a plus. But anyways, I figured I would go ahead and do an unboxing of the LaterCase, as they call it. And so after his video, he actually gave, I think it was $10 off. So normally these cases are, oops, tearing the box on both sides. This is a weak box. Good God. Anyways, normally they're 45 bucks. This I got was 35, and he actually has a couple of handfuls of cases for different phones. So if you want to check out his site and see if your phone is on there, see if you like this case or whatever, the link for his site will be in the video description. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I don't even know if he does that, to be honest with you, but I figured since it's such a big deal about, that's kind of nice, about this case, I may as well check it out and see what's going on. So in the box you get another box and a microfiber cloth, which is kind of nice. I don't know, what's a $35, $45 case supposed to come with? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, I feel like it's a cheap little plastic cardboard case. I mean, is that cool? I don't know. Is it? And it's just kind of laid on top of some little foam stuff. Let's go ahead, I have my note right here. This one's for the Note 10 Plus. I'll go ahead and use his microfiber and see if it's I don't even think this is microfiber. This is more like a nylon type material. I mean, it works-ish. No, it's just pushing around the dirt. For 35 bucks, I wouldn't mind an actual microfiber cloth. This one seems to have worked quite a bit better. All that really did was push around the oils and stuff that are already on the back of the phone. In a way, it feels very, very cheap, but I think it's just because it's so thin, you know? I mean, this is an incredibly, incredibly thin case. This isn't really a full review, it's just an unboxing. I think I'm an idiot. There we go. It is nice, though. So there is, you might not be able to see it on my camera here, but there is a little bit, yeah, you can't see it, it's not focusing. But there is a little bit of a lip on front, so you can put it face down and not really worry about the screen touching whatever it is. This, most definitely, this is not a, you know, protective, drop this phone and you're confident it's gonna survive the fall type of case. And I don't really think that you should expect that. I don't care if this case costs 140 bucks. If it's as thin as it is, I wouldn't expect it to break any falls or anything like that, honestly. From a desk to a carpeted floor, probably. Outside of that, I really wouldn't think so. But as far as coverage goes, I mean, the top is fully covered outside of the cutouts for mic and things like that. And there are these two little slits here, one over here and one over here. That looks like that looks like, I remember in his video he was saying that he wanted to design the case to make it so that it can be easily removed and put back on and things like that. So that's probably what that is. That's what I'm guessing anyways. If you go around this other side, there's nothing there, completely covered. Go around bottom. Cutouts are absolutely perfect for speaker grill, charge port, microphone, and the S Pen. And then you have another slit right here, so that probably is another thing. And then on the other side, it's a complete cutout for your power button and your volume rocker. So honestly, there's not really a lot to say about. I mean, I don't really think there is a full review out there for this case. I really don't. Normally, if I review a case, I cover the way the buttons feel and stuff like that, and the port alignment and things like that. And this seems to be spot on. I wouldn't worry about using any cables or anything like that in there. Everything is decent. Taking it off, it actually does come off very, very easily. When I was putting it on, I was just an idiot, really. But yeah, it goes on and it comes off and snaps on really, really easily. And I honestly like it. I'll see how it goes with the Note though, just because of the curved edges. I always get false positive touches when I'm using no case, and I think this is about as close to no case as you're gonna get. He does talk about the texture a lot, and you can feel it almost feels like a ribbed type material, but I mean it's a thin case. There's not really a whole lot to it. It has a little bit of a raise for the camera hump in the back. We'll see how it goes. I'll leave it on there for a few days and we'll see how it works out. So that was the unboxing of the LaterCase. Kind of disappointed in this. I don't really like the nylon type cloths anyways. They're just, I don't know, they don't work very well. They generally, for me, they just push around the oils that were on my device for my fingers anyways. So it's not really a thing. I don't know, I think everything is very, very plain. There's no branding on here, no nothing. Like, I wouldn't mind seeing a little bit of branding maybe on the inside here somewhere. Just a quick logo here, and then probably another quick logo on the box somewhere. This box is insanely plain, and for, I don't know, I just feel for $45, I want a little bit more thought going into the presentation. Now maybe he spent his R&D money on actually figuring out what he likes about a case, what he doesn't like, and all that stuff. So, and I mean, if you're gonna put all the money into the case, the actual product, as opposed to packaging, I suppose that's a good trade-off. I don't know, I wouldn't mind seeing some sort of branding, and I know that he was working on it. It's just, it feels very, very, very plain to me. So we'll see how it goes. But as far as the case goes itself, it is a decent case. It does add a nice little grip to your phone. It feels slightly more protective than, say, a skin or anything like that on your phone. So like I said, we'll see. This is got to be the easiest case to get to my S Pen, just because there's like no protection there. But that's kind of the point of the whole thing. Anyways, I'm starting to ramble now. Thank you guys for watching. I will be coming back with some more review videos, and I do actually have I got a couple things in the works, so I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.